On the Nigerian government has reaffirmed its dedication to ensuring that the country's biotechnology solutions are firmly rooted in scientific evidence and safe application. At the Biotechnology and Biosafety Stakeholders Forum held in Abuja, the Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, Uche Nnaji, urged Nigerians to place trust in the Nigerian Biosafety Management Agency. The report.
As Nigeria grapples with the challenge of food security, stakeholders at a meeting on biosafety and biotechnology have underscored the importance of adopting biotechnology as a vital tool in the quest for food security, climate resilience, better healthcare, and economic stability. The Minister of Science and Technology urged stakeholders to collaborate to ensure that the benefits of safe modern biotechnology reach every corner of Nigerian society.
The Federal Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology will continue working with relevant stakeholders to support biosafety regulations, promote public awareness, and facilitate informed public engagement about GMOs. Through these concerted efforts, we aim to foster an environment where the potential benefits of biotechnology can be realized in a manner that prioritizes safety, sustainability, and public well-being. We must learn to trust our government as public health and environmental sustainability custodians. The government has already prioritized rigorous scientific research through risk assessments and transparent regulatory frameworks to ensure the safety and the efficacy of GMOs in the country.
The Minister of State for Environment, Dr. Isiaq Salako, reiterated the ministry's commitment to ensuring the biosafety of Nigerians, affirming that all factors would be taken into account.
We must avoid sensationalism, half-truths, scaremongering, and interprofessional conflict-induced antagonism. Let us promote informed dialogue on the development and deployment of biotechnology based on scientific evidence. The Federal Ministry of Environment will continue to ensure that all factors are taken on board and all stakeholders are given a voice for the biosafety of Nigerians.
The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Tunji Alausa, said the ministry is working to ensure the One Health approach sustains the health of the people and animals.
They have said GMOs are not safe, adding that they cause cancer and other unsavory health outcomes in individuals. This remains one of the unfounded lies by anti-GMO group who has been found and running the errands of some big clients. It must be pointed out clearly, GMO foods are carefully studied before they are sold to the public to ensure that they are safe.
Also, the Director General, National Biotechnology Research and Development Agency, Professor Abdullahi Mustafa, called for the harnessing of the immense potential of modern biotechnology while mitigating its risks.
The country is blessed with over 20 research institutes that are working on the genetic improvement of the various crops that we have comparative advantage in producing. These institutions are also training a lot of manpower for the country. Hence, the need for us to take advantage of government policy that had established a very viable regulatory regime to ensure that the practice of modern biotechnology does not pose danger to human, animal, or environment.
And Director of the Agricultural Biotechnology Department, National Biotechnology Research and Development Agency, reiterated the agency's commitment to providing a robust regulatory framework that safeguards human health and the environment from potential adverse effects of modern biotechnology.
These foods undergo the scrutiny. They undergo scrutiny, high scrutiny, It's the most scrutinized food in the history of mankind. before they are given to farmers, they have to carry out all risk, issues, risk analysis, risk management, and all before they are finally given out to farmers or approved for farmers' use and all. So they are safe in terms of safety, and then those developers, that develop these seeds, they are responsible people. They are all biotechnology practitioners, and they make sure that, because they're also part of the consumers, they make sure that safety procedures are followed, along all the lines, and so safety is never compromised.
With the guidance of the National Biosafety Management Agency, Nigerian scientists have developed and commercialized crop varieties such as cowpea and teller maize, which have immense economic and food security potentials.